Hey there! Welcome back to the Real Cash Online channel. Tired of those make $10,000 overnight scams? Me too. Most of those schemes just take your money, not help you earn it. So, here are 5 proven ways to make $100 online. No BS, just real methods that work. Stick with me, pick a platform, sign up, and let's turn that online hustle into your first online payday. The first platform is Respondent.io. Get paid for sharing your opinion. These aren't your average 2-cent surveys. We're talking $50, $100, even $200 for in-depth interviews and focus groups. A friend made $150 for a 1-hour interview about video games. Create a profile, fill out your interests, and get matched with paid opportunities. Their dashboard shows you how much each opportunity pays and how long it takes. Many opportunities are online, so you can do them from anywhere. Next up, for all my fellow wordsmiths, the ProBlogger Job Board. It's packed with businesses looking for talented writers, willing to pay top dollar for quality content. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's something for everyone. We're talking 100, 200, even more per article. Imagine getting paid handsomely for doing what you love. You don't need to be Stephen King to get started. All you need is a passion for writing and a willingness to put yourself out there. I landed a gig writing blog posts for a real estate company and made over $1,000 from that one client. It was a game changer for me. Browse the job board regularly, apply to gigs that interest you, and craft compelling pitches. The more you apply, the better your chances. With a little effort and a knack for writing, you can find success on ProBlogger. It's all about persistence and honing your craft. Number 3, it's time to work smarter, not harder with Solid Gigs. Finding freelance gigs online is exhausting, but Solid Gigs does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of spending hours sifting through countless job boards and listings, you can focus on what you do best, your work. It curates the best freelance opportunities and delivers them straight to your inbox. Imagine waking up to a list of high-quality gigs tailored just for you, saving you precious time and effort. Think of it like having a personal assistant who handpicks the highest-paying gigs. This means you can skip the tedious search process and get straight to earning. No more wasting time on low-paying offers or shady clients. Solid Gigs filters out the noise, ensuring you only see the best opportunities. Solid Gigs only features gigs from reputable companies. You can trust that the opportunities presented are legitimate and worth your time. Their subscription cost is super affordable compared to the potential earnings. For a small monthly fee, you gain access to a treasure trove of high-paying gigs. It's a no-brainer for anyone serious about making consistent income online. Use my referral link in the description below to get 2 weeks free. Next up, ready to make $100 for your top 10? Listverse pays. Listverse will pay you $100 for unique, engaging, and well-researched top 10 lists. Choose niche topics that haven't been done to death. Think about your interests, hobbies, or areas of expertise and come up with a unique angle. Back up your list with interesting facts, anecdotes, and sources to increase your chances of getting published. Finally, it's time to promote and profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. While only the top 5% of marketers generate a livable income, you can still earn a steady stream of income if done right. Make passive income online by promoting other people's products. ClickBank offers a unique opportunity for anyone looking to earn money online without creating their own products. ClickBank has a massive marketplace filled with digital products in every niche. From health and fitness to finance and self-improvement, there's something for everyone. Find products that align with your interests and start promoting your unique affiliate link. It's important to choose products you are passionate about, as this will make your promotions more authentic and effective. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more targeted your audience, the higher your chances of making sales. The key is to provide value to your audience. Engage with them through blog posts, social media, and other platforms where you can share your insights and recommendations. Create helpful content, reviews, or tutorials that genuinely benefit your audience. This builds trust and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Naturally incorporate your affiliate links to maximize your earnings. The more seamlessly you can integrate these links into your content, the better your results will be. Take a moment to like and subscribe if you found this information helpful. Then, start your earning journey. In this video, I shared 5 proven ways to make $100 online starting today. Pick one method that resonates with you and commit to taking action today. Leave a comment down below and let me know which method you're going to try first. The only thing standing between you and your first online payday is taking that first step. Now go out there and make that money.